Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a student discount on Qatar Airways. Start by searching Qatar Airways Student Club on Google. Click the first link in the results. On the Qatar Airways Student Club homepage, click the prominent Join Now button. Explore the page to understand the benefits. So here you can see when you are accepted in the student club, you will have special fares on flights, additional baggage allowance, date change flexibility, you can add travel companions and save, and then you will have a graduation gift, a privilege club tier upgrade. You will have complimentary onboard Wi-Fi, and more. Here, scroll down to locate the registration form. You can create an account using Google or manually fill out the form. Be sure to provide accurate and detailed information about your personal details and your educational background. Once you've completed the form, double check all the information and click Create an Account. Finally, wait for the confirmation email or notification which will provide further instructions on accessing your student benefits.